Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to reset Visual Studio Code back to its default state. Whether you're dealing with layout issues, unwanted settings, or just want a fresh start, I'll walk you through a few simple methods to get your VS Code looking and working like it did when you first installed it. Next, we're going to reset all custom settings in Visual Studio Code. First, navigate to the Settings file location. From VS Code, head to the Settings folder by going to Roaming, then into the .code directory, and finally, the User folder. Once you're there, find the settings.json file and delete it. This will reset all custom settings back to the default. After that, just restart Visual Studio Code, and everything should be back to its original state. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily reset Visual Studio Code to its default settings. I hope this helped you out. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.